Alright. There you are. Shelby, are you growling? Are you growling? Come on, I want to see you fight each other. But I don't want him. I want him to hear you. I told you I might get in trouble. I might get in trouble when he hears you, and I don't get in trouble at all. So please don't be loud. You too, Cassie. I don't want you to be loud either. Okay. What do you do now? Okay. Can you please stop? I hear the sound. Here. Here, real quick. Oh, you're not about to. You won't even bark.
I like the assist game. I was hitting it, wasn't I?